Hi everyone, this is Shubham Singh, roll number 21EX10032. This is my second DIY assignment in which I have created a social distancing alert system. As we all are aware of the fact that currently the pandemic situation is again getting worse, and in this case the most fundamental and probably one of the most important thing that we can do from our end is to maintain social distancing to keep ourselves, our family members and others safe. So this is the basic idea behind this project to make everyone aware. Uh, for this project, the components that I have used are an Arduino Uno, which is an open source microcontroller board, uh, an ultrasonic distance sensor, which measures distance by using ultrasonic waves which travel faster than the sound, a piezo buzzer, which can generate basic beeps and tones, a breadboard mini, which helps us to make quick electrical connections, and a NeoPixel Ring 12 in which 12 ultra bright smart LED NeoPixels are arranged in a circle of 37 mm outer diameter. Now let's check out the connectivity part. So the digital pin 6 is connected to the echo pin of ultrasonic sensor. The digital pin 5 is connected to the trigger pin of ultrasonic sensor. Digital pin 3 is connected to the input of NeoPixel ring, and digital pin 2 is connected to the positive terminal of piezo buzzer. And power of this ultrasonic sensor and NeoPixel LED are connected to the 5 volt of Arduino power, and in the same way the ground of ultrasonic sensor and the ground of NeoPixel LED ring are connected to the negative terminal of piezo buzzer, and this negative terminal is further connected to the ground of Arduino power. So here connections are over, and before moving on to the coding part, first let us start the simulation. I think it will help us later to understand the coding part in a much better way. The range of this ultrasonic sensor is from 100 cm to 300 cm, and this object is considered to be the person, and as the distance between the person and the system decreases, you can see the number of LEDs glowing with respect to the color also changes. And as it will reach to 100 centimeter or less, you can see the buzzer activates and indicates social distancing violation along with all the 12 NeoPixel LEDs glowing. And as the person moves away, LEDs starts turning off. This is the schematic view of the circuit. Now let us understand the coding part. So here I have used text code. You can also use the block code. For that, I'll be explaining the complete logic behind my text code. The entire program is written as per the logic and connections of all the components. And as you can see, this Adafruit NeoPixel library is initialized with LED pin 3 and LED number as 12 because we have used 12 LED NeoPixel link. And here is the connectivity part which I have already explained. And as soon as the Arduino is powered up, the system starts measuring distance from 300 cm to 100 cm. In this line of code, you can see the LEDs to glow are counted based upon the mapping between the maximum distance value, minimum distance value and LED number, and accordingly if LEDs to glow count is 12, then we will get a buzzer indication. Otherwise the number of LEDs will be glowing but there will be no buzzer. The buzzer indication is for actual social distancing violation. In this line of code, this strip.color 50 indicates the brightness level of a particular LED. You can also change this value from 0 to 250 to change the brightness level. Here I have kept it to 50. This calcs function calculates the distance with respect to the ultrasonic sensor distance measurement. And now I'll copy this code to the Arduino IDE. So here is the code. Now we will compile it to ensure that there is no error. So as you can see here, the code has been compiled successfully without any error. So with this we are done, and I hope you all like it. Thank you so much.